Hello! Let's learn the English language with me, Miss M, for the study time. Let's practice our speaking skills using tongue twisters. In this video, you will learn about different words and combine it with my favorite pet. So let's start. Tongue twister is a phrase that is designed to be difficult to articulate properly and can be used as a type of spoken or song word game. It is an exercise to improve pronunciation and fluency. Let us start with the vocabulary building. Repeat after me. Number 1. Caught. Caught. C-A-U-G-H-T. Caught. Caught. Number 2. Chicken. Chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. Chicken. Number 3. Eating. Eating. E-A-T-I-N-G. Eating. Eating. Number 4. Kitchen. Kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. Kitchen. Number 5. Kitten. Kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N. K-I-T-T-E-N. Kitten. Kitten. Number 6. Kitty. Kitty. Capital K-I-T-T-Y. Kitty. So we are going to read tongue twister number 1. I will repeat it 5 times, but the paces will be different. So let us start. Kitty caught the kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Kitty caught the kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Kitty caught the kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Kitty caught the kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Kitty caught the kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Tongue twister number 2. I will repeat it 5 times with different paces. So let's listen. A black cat is in the black hat. 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 Another vocabulary building for the tongue twister number 3. Number 1, carry. Carry. Capital C-A-R-R-I-E. Carrie is the name of a girl. Carrie. Carrie. Cute. Cute. C-U-T-E. Cute. Cute. Cute means lovely, beautiful. Cute. Next is curious. Curious. C-U-R-I-O-U-S. Curious. You are curious and you want to find out something. Next is cuddled. Cuddled. C-U-D-D-L-E-D. Cuddled. Cuddled. The mother cuddled the baby. She hugged the baby. Cuddled. Again, carry, cute, curious, cuddled. Carry, cute, curious, cuddled. Carry, cute, curious, cuddled. Tongue twister number 3. I will repeat the tongue twister 5 times with different paces. Carrie cuddled the cute, curious cats. 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 Tongue twister number 4. I will repeat it 5 times with different paces. Listen. A black cat sat on a mat and ate a fat rat. A black cat sat on a mat and ate a fat rat. A black cat sat on a mat and ate a fat rat. A black cat sat on a mat and ate a fat rat. A black cat sat on a mat and ate a fat rat. Discover the best Google Slides themes and PowerPoint templates you can use in your presentations. Visit www.slidesgo.com. Visit Pexels, the best free stock photos and videos shared by talented creators. I hope that you've enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it to your friends and to your loved ones. Remember that learning English language is such a fun. Thank you, take care, and keep safe.